Priyanka, can you hear me? Yeah, hi.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Priyanka, so far you have looked the best in the film. My question is that what was the most challenging part for you to do? I mean, every scene you are just mesmerizing.
Thank you. I really didn't have much of the hard work. It was Bajirao and Mastani, Deepika and Ranveer who had to do all the hard work. I just came on set, wore my Nawari. That was difficult. Wearing an 11-yard Nawari and all that real jewelry, I'm not really used to it. I think Deepika and Ranveer worked with Sanjay sir, so they used to keep telling me, you don't know, abhi aage dekho, kya hoga. But I think I came on set and said my lines honestly. Really, for me, I was experiencing the magic of creating another time, and I used to walk on set and feel like मैं किसी फेरी लैंड में आ गई हूँ. काशी विला से हमने शुरू किया था. काशी विला हमने नाम दिया है उसको, but it was Kashi's house. And शुरुआत वहाँ से हुई थी, and उन कपड़ों में, उस लहजे में, उस ज़बान में, everything just changed. It felt like a completely different atmosphere. So I had a blast doing this film, honestly. Challenges और मुश्किलें जो हैं वो I think रणवीर और दीपिका से
नहीं नहीं, डे 3 पे क्या हुआ था जरा बताओ सबको प्रियंका, नहीं तो मैं बता दूंगा. देखिए 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 क्या करी प्रियंका. साउंड इफेक्ट. प्रियंका से मेरी बात हो रही थी ऑन डे 3 ऑफ प्रियंका शूटिंग बाजीराव मस्तानी. आई एम गोइंग होम. मुझे नहीं खेलना ये, क्या खेल, तुम लोग पागल हो, दूसरी फिल्म कर रहे हो, तुम लोग को क्या हो गया, मैं जा रही हूँ घर पे.
I think I was just too
But Priyanka's a quick learner, and she got used to this style of filmmaking very, very quick. And I have to say, she killed it, buddy. Props.
Hi Deepika.
Well, Priyanka के लिए one last question as she has to leave. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Hi Deepika over here.
I want to ask her.
Priyanka, hi. Abhishek here.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे
I'll come back to you.
on the right. Alright, Priyanka. So firstly, congratulations. We loved you as Kashi Bai, but since we saw so much of grandeur, I really want to ask you that does Alex Parrish still feel a hangover of Kashi Villa or Kashi Bai right there?
Oh, now you just questioned my ability to do my job. No, not at all. It's my job as an actor to be able to differentiate between my characters, and I think over the years have been able to learn how to slip in and out of characters. जी हाँ, लेकिन मेरे लिए मुश्किल ये था कि एलेक्स के लिए मुझे अमेरिकन एक्सेंट सीखना था, एंड फॉर बाजीराव 300 साल पुराना महाराष्ट्रियन डायलेक्ट, तो उसमें थोड़ी सी मैं कंफ्यूज हो गई थी. वैसे भी मेरा बड़ा कंफ्यूज्ड एक्सेंट रहता है, तो अब तो ज्यादा हो गया. But I think otherwise for me it's not very difficult to go in and out of characters.
Thank you, and we're loving Quantico.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. One last question, ladies and gentlemen, for Baji Rao Mastani and of course
Hi
Priyanka.
Deepika.
Sorry, I had a question
hi,
for
Deepika.
Priyanka because she's supposed to leave. So Priyanka, thank you first of all for joining us so late. I know the hour there must be really, really in the wee. So thank you so much for joining us at this late hour. The question is, in America, what is the kind of flavor that people are opening up to as far as this movie is concerned? Because of late, just last week when PRDP had opened up, it had actually opened up as with a bigger box office response than the Brad Pitt Angelina Jolie starrer By the Sea. So are people warming up really well, and are you taking the foray in terms of promotions in America? And by the way, this is Karmik Verma from ikarmik.com.
Hi Karmik, how are you? Very nice to speak with you. I think it is very important, and the globe is actually opening up to the idea of what Indian films are. There is a stereotype of Hindi movies that we break out into song and dance without reason. But I think it's about the education of people to understand what Indian cinema is really about. We come from one of the most prolific film industries in the world. We make about almost 900,000 movies a year, the country. And it's about educating the world that this is what the Indian film industry is. We may have a different language, but we are a force to reckon with. And the success of Quantico as well shows the power of the Indian film industry actually outside of America. Quantico's gone to, we've dubbed in 44 countries, gone to dozens and multiples of countries simultaneously. And that is a big testament to the power of Hindi cinema, because It went before the pilot even aired because people knew me because I've done Hindi cinema. So there's a big warming up that's happening, and films like Bajirao Mastani, which are so epic and a quintessential testament of what Hindi storytelling, Hindi movie storytelling is. It's not silly, it doesn't take your intelligence for granted, and at the same time it's beautiful, it's epic, it's a celebration, it's tragic, it's dramatic, it's everything that Indian cinema stands for. So I think hopefully, yes, I am doing a lot of, in terms of promotion when it comes to international. So hopefully with Bajirao Mastani there will be an education